After this beautiful intro with images taken in the last 2 days of our trip in Thailand, I'll show you how I lost my drone in our last day.
It's a big crab. I know this is Oля. Yeah. Can I take the crab? To bring the crab.
Take it, but I think he's sleeping.
Alright. Let's take the crab. That is a scary face.
After this tiny bad joke upon my wife, I've decided to fly again with my last spare battery. I decided to bring the drone back. I realized the wind became quite strong, the drone's return was extremely slow. Then, because I was worried my battery will run out and the drone will crash into the ocean, I switched on sport mode. Big mistake, almost instantly the drone became unstable and stopped responding. On my remote appeared the message gimbal error and signal lost. I waited on the beach for more than 1 hour hoping that the drone will come back by itself, like the DJI advert tell us will happen in this situation. My drone had DJI Care insurance and the only way to receive a new drone was to find the crashed drone in any condition. So I started to search the drone, going to the last known GPS position from the application.
Wale is here.
So I found my drone with Found My Drone application. It looks like it crashed here. Everything is broken. We are in a deserted area.
Yeah, probably I destroyed this house, yeah.
Yeah, found it like this. Propellers are broken. Yeah, battery it's jumped from the place. The rest looks intact. And found it with my application. See everyone, that is really work. I found it with this application. As you can see, this red spot, it's my drone. And we are that blue spot, we came through here and we found it exactly where it says, with no battery, crashed. We came through, if you can see, we lost it somewhere here on the beach in this point. You can see here on this point we passed through this one. They found it in the forest here, this red spot. It was a big adventure to find it here, but it really works, and we found our drone.